Use hear when sound comes to your ears, and use listen when you pay attention. Alright, friends, let's break this down super easy. First, hear. You don't even try. Sound just jumps into your ears. Imagine you're walking down the street and boom, you hear a car horn. You didn't want it, but it's there. And now for listen. Listen when you choose to focus. Like when your friend whispers gossip and you lean in like, tell me more. Let's listen. Okay? Let's go through our questions one by one. Number one, I blank the dog barking outside. Well, the dog is barking whether you like it or not. You don't choose, so it's here. Number two, please blank carefully to the teacher. Here, the teacher wants your attention. You have to focus. Let's listen. Please listen carefully to the teacher. Number three, did you blank the thunder last night? Thunder is loud, and you don't control it. Let's hear. Did you hear the thunder last night? Number four, shh, blank to the birds singing. Here, someone tells you to pay attention to a pretty sound. So let's listen. Shh. Listen to the birds singing. Number five, I can blank people talking next door. The sound just travels through the wall. You don't choose. So let's hear. I can hear people talking next door. Number six, let's blank to our favorite song together. This is about enjoying music on purpose. So let's listen. Let's listen to our favorite song together. Again, use hear when sound comes to your ears, and use listen when you pay attention. I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI. I work hard to make these lessons fun and clear, so please like and subscribe. It really helps. I'll see you next time. Bye.